Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Havells Aqua Plus Black 1.2 litre 1500 watt kettle. So as you can see, the main features, it's a 304 stainless steel interior, it has a cool touch outer body and a wider mouth for EC usage. So this is what's on here. Let's flip it over to this side. So again, stainless steel spout. It has an on and off switch with LED indicator, with light indicator, on and off switch with light indicator. 360-degree cordless kettle, an integrated stainless steel filter, one key open lid with stainless steel. Again, it's all stainless steel. And as I said earlier, it's got a 1.2 litre capacity and it's a 1500 watt kettle. Okay, let's go what's on the other side. So on this side, you can see these are the specifications. There's an item code given, there's a model, it's the Aqua Plus, the color is black, and there's some other information given, customer care number and all of that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox this kettle now. I will go ahead and just open it up. All right, and so comes very neatly packed. The kettle, let's take the kettle out. As you can see, comes nicely packed. There you are, that's the kettle. All right, again, I will just keep that down for now and see what else you get in the box. This is the base, the power plate. And there's the cable actually can coil up and be stored over here, and you can take it out and you can plug it in. All right. Apart from this, you get a instruction manual. So I do recommend that you should read this once. Okay, it gives you some important notes. Before first use, it's recommended to operate the kettle for 2 to 3 times. Okay, with the instructions above. So we'll cover that in another video. Let's see what else do you get in the box. That's about it. All right, so there you are, folks. You get in the box, when you buy this product, you get the kettle itself. As you can see, it says Havells, it says the model number at the back. Pretty sturdy, it's all stainless steel. Looks really nice. As you can see, the lid opens. You just press this button and the lid opens very conveniently. So I'll show that to you guys again. So you press this button, there you go. The lid's open. It's 304 steel, as you can see it says inside. There are conveniently, wait, there, don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so as you can see inside there, actually there you are. So there are markings where it tells you the amount of water, what level the water is set at, and that's the on-off switch right here, on-off switch. And obviously this will needs to be placed inside the base for it to work. So there you are, folks. Let me put that to the side. That was the unboxing of the Havells Aqua Plus kettle. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Goodbye.